Nuclear power is the fifth largest source of electricity in India after coal, gas, hydroelectricity and wind power. As of November 2020, India has 22 nuclear reactors in operation and 7 nuclear power plants, with a total installed capacity of 7,380 MW. Nuclear power produced a total of 43 TWh in 2020-21, contributing 3.11% of total power generation in India. 10 more reactors are under construction with a combined generation capacity of 8,000 MW. In October 2010, India drew up a plan to reach a nuclear power capacity of 63 GW in 2032. However, following the 2011 Fukushima nuclear disaster, there have been numerous anti-nuclear protests at proposed nuclear power plant sites. There have been mass protests against the Jadapur nuclear power project in Maharashtra and the Kudankulam nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu, and a proposed large nuclear power plant near Haripur was refused permission by the government of West Bengal. A public interest litigation has also been filed against a government civil nuclear program at the Supreme Court. Nuclear power in India has suffered from generally low capacity factors. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.